Hi there. Welcome back to Lena English Podcast, where we learn English together every day, step by step. Are you a beginner in English? Do you want to speak English better? Are you ready to practice speaking today? Let's do it together. Today we will practice shadowing. Shadowing means you repeat after me. Listen carefully, then speak out loud. Don't worry. Don't be shy. Just follow my voice. Let's begin. Sun with face morning routine, daily English sentences. I wake up. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I go to school. I feel ready. I feel good. Now your turn. Repeat after me. I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. Pause between each for shadowing practice. Continue this pattern. Shopping bags at the store. Excuse me. How much is this? I want to buy this. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with a card? Where is the milk? Where are the eggs? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now your turn. Excuse me. Excuse me. How much is this? How much is this? Continue. Hot beverage ordering at a cafe. Hello. Can I have a coffee, please? I want a tea. No sugar, please. One croissant, please. For here or to go? To go, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Repeat with me. Hello. Hello. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please? Continue with natural, slow repetition. Man and woman holding hands, meeting new people. Hi, my name is Lena. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Let's be friends. Now shadow with me. Hi, my name is Lena. Hi, my name is Lena. What's your name? What's your name? Continue slowly. Calendar talking about the day. Today is Monday. It's a good day. The weather is nice. The sun is shining. I feel happy. I want to learn English. I want to practice. I want to speak better. Repeat. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. It's a good day. It's a good day. Brain motivational English sentences. Simple and uplifting. I can speak English. I believe in myself. I will try. I will practice. I will not give up. Learning is fun. English is fun. Step by step, I will improve. Every day I grow. Every day I learn. Shadow with me. I can speak English. I can speak English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Direct hit wrap up. You did great today. You listened. You repeated. You spoke English. That's amazing. Remember, practice every day. Speak out loud. Don't be afraid. You can do it. This is your journey. This is your time. Keep going. Keep speaking. See you in the next episode of Lena English Podcast. Take care and happy learning.